here with another great review for you. Today we're going to review the Magnetic Kosin Grill Lights, which are right here on both sides of my grill. It's currently raining here, but I did want to show you that they are waterproof. They still turn on no problem. That's why I waited to start this review in some rain, just to show you that. Totally waterproof and they do great. The way that I attach them to my grill is they have a magnetic base right there, and it just goes right onto my stainless steel grill cover. I did try putting them on the handles at first, but they were a little rounded. They'll still stick, it's just that they won't be as secure as they would on the actual grill. The lights themselves, they're made out of like a stainless metal. They have bright. If you click it again, it's slightly less bright, and then you have flashing, or strobe if you will. So there's 3 different light modes. Both grill lights work on 3 AAA batteries. You just unscrew that, and it comes in one of these nice little handy 3 AAAs and an adapter. Just pop it right in, and it has a little rubber O-ring around the edge there to make it waterproof with the batteries, but as I already showed you, they do work in rain. So we're gonna cook some steaks tonight. I got the grill preheating right now. And as you can see, I can still touch these lights where they are, but they can withstand a lot of heat here. So we're gonna keep them on there, we're gonna cook the steaks, and we're gonna see how they hold up. We're gonna turn the lights on, and we're gonna keep them on at the highest brightness, just to show you that they will survive this whole cooking experience with the steak. It's been a couple minutes now, and these lights are still working great. They are a little warm to the touch, so I wouldn't touch them if they're on your grill. But you can definitely handle this part. This part's not hot at all. It's just the main handles. But it's showing you that even with the batteries inside, the lights are still working. They're not going to malfunction because of the heat. Getting up to 300 degrees almost, and the lights are still functioning fine. See that the steak is cooking. And then again, the lights are still working. No problem at all. The actual handles of the lights are very hot though, so I wouldn't be going and touching these with bare hands. So just know that it's going to absorb the heat from the grill if you put it right on the hood, obviously, so you don't want to be touching it. If you put it on the handle, obviously you can touch the handle, no problem. But again, my handle was just a little bit rounded, so I'd rather put them right on the grill, but it shows you that they can take the heat, no problem at all. So we're just about done grilling the steak, and you see that the lights are working perfectly. Still very hot around the batteries. No problems at all. I'm gonna enjoy the steak, come back out at night and show you what it looks like when we light up the whole grill. We're gonna see how much these lights light up the grill. First we'll turn them on. This is full brightness. As you can see, the lights light it up pretty good on the grill. You can see everything here. It lights up the grill wherever you want to. Highly adjustable. You can put the light wherever you want to with this easily bendable neck there. So it does a very nice job, and they are really good grill lights. They seem to survive high temperatures while on the grill. As I said, they weren't on the handle, they were right on the hood of the grill. So they had temperatures up to about 350 degrees, and they did great. Pros, they're very bright. They have 3 different settings. I think that you'd use the strobe setting not on the grill, but they're there in case you want to use them for camping or whatever. So even though they're grill lights, you can take them in various places. Very, very bright, and they come in a pack of 2. And not only that, but they come in a very nice case. The lights themselves, definitely waterproof, and I showed you that because we had a downpour earlier before I grilled. Built very well. Cons about the Kosin Grill Lights. The only con I could see, honestly, is that they won't really work on rounded handles as well as putting them onto the grill cover like I did. So you can still stick them on there, but they'll have a tendency to fall off a lot easier if you're brushing by. But you stick them wherever you can. I mean, the magnetic base is definitely strong. I have no problems using them on my grill cover, the stainless steel grill cover, and they work great, as you can see. So I'm actually really happy with these grill lights. That con's not a big con. I just trying to dig for something that would be something can improve on if they could. And yeah, they work great. I give them 5 out of 5. If you'd like to purchase the Kosin Magnetic Grill Light, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all the support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.